So with this first problem, we're evaluating this logarithm. This is log base 8 of 500, and we want to approximate it. We want to round it to the nearest thousandth place. So we'll need to use our change of base rule. And in general, we can use either the common log, which is a logarithm with base 10 of whatever we want. So this we just write as log x. Or we could use what we call the natural log, which of course is a logarithm with base e of whatever we want, and we write this as ln of that input. So we can use either for when we want to actually plug these into the calculator, since like I mentioned, those are the two buttons and we usually have for most graphing calculators. So let's use the common log first. So we'll just write this as log base 10 of the top number here, this input to the original logarithm. So log base 10 of 500 divided by log base 10 of the original base, 8. And you want to get in the habit when you have log base 10, just write that as log, where base 10 is implied when you write log. And keep in mind that 10 is an important base. We call it the common log because our entire number system is based off 10 digits. And in the bottom, we have log base 10 of 8, which we'll just write as log 8. So we can evaluate this now. Let's use the calculator. So we have log 500 divided by log of 8. And we can see that we get 2.9885. So we got to round to the thousandths. That's that second 8. And we got to round it up. So it'd be 2.989. So I really should put the approximate 2.989. And just to prove that this is in fact the correct answer, we can also use the natural log. So let's do natural log of 500 divided by natural log of 8, and you get the same answer. Or we can even use that special button if you have one of the more advanced calculators where you can customize the base. So we can put 8 in there and 500 for our input. Oops, I wrote the wrong number there, but I can just hit second entry and recall what I originally wrote, go back and delete one of those zeros. And you get the same answer as we expected. So let's move on, try some more examples here. And for the second one, let me change colors. We have 5 times log base 2 of 48. And we can deal with the multiplication by 5 at the end. We just need to figure out this logarithm. And we can use either the natural log or the common log. But in this one, let's use the natural log. So we'll rewrite this as a log base e of this top number, so log base e of 48, and divide it by log base e of 2. Now, just like with the common log, you want to get used to writing it as log of whatever your input is. For the natural log, you want to get used to writing it as ln of whatever your input is. So this would be 5 times the natural log of 48 divided by the natural log of 2. And let's put this into our calculator. So we'll clear this out. And we have 5 times the natural log of 48 divided by the natural log of 2. And just to prove to ourselves that this is correct, we can multiply it instead by log. We'll use the common log of 48 divided by the common log of 2. Close that parentheses, and it's the same number. So 27.9248. So we got to round up here. So it'd be 27.925. And we can put that in our box, 27.925. So let's do one final problem from this exercise set, and then we'll look at a completely different type of exercise set. So let's just rewrite this. We have 3 times log base 9 of 1/12. And again, we'll just multiply at the end by this 3. Now, we can use either the common log or the natural log. It doesn't matter. Let's just use the common log here. So this will be log base 10 of that input, that original input, 1/12, divided by log base 10 of 9, that original base. And of course, we'll need the calculator for this since we're going to get an irrational number. And let me just scroll over first so that we can actually see this. So we have 3, and I'll put parentheses here, log, we're using common log of 1 divided by 12, and then divide that by the common log of 9, close parentheses, and we get minus 3.393, since we'll have to round up. So minus 3.393. And this is the answer that we'd put in the box since it's rounded to the nearest thousandth place.